Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says a box contains 15 green and 10 yellow balls. So we have 15 green balls, 10 yellow balls. Okay, if 10 balls are drawn, so you have to handpick 10 balls, that too one by one without replacement. Then the variance of the number of green balls is, so you have to find out the variance of green balls. So variance, you know that the formula variance is n p q. So n is what? The number of balls you are hand picking. So you guys are hand picking 10 balls, so it is 10. Now p means what? Success means what? You have to hand pick green balls. So what is the probability of having green balls? So you know that all together we have 25 balls, out of which 15 are green. So success will become 15 by 25. Okay. Now we have Q. What is Q? Q is the failure. Failure means what? You are supposed to hand pick green balls. The moment you will hand pick yellow ball, it will be a failure. So what is the probability of having 10 yellow balls? It is 10 out of 25. So this is your required answer. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.